What up, YouTube? We back again with another video. I know the lighting ain't that good up under this shed. Hold on, let me step out here. Alright, y'all can see me now. I'm about to change the carburetor on the 400 Regal thing. Put a more high performance carburetor on it. Got an AED carburetor. Got a Holley main bowl though, so it's like a Holley AED, something like that. Y'all know everything be Holley still pretty much, but yeah, we about to do that though, y'all. Oh yeah, and y'all, let me get it so y'all can see me. That's one more thing. We're gonna try to put a 1-inch spacer on if I can still hook my PCV valve up. See if it'll fit. For some reason, I feel like it'll fit up under here. Even though that hood scoop is not big, but you know. I mean, all you can do is try. So we're gonna try it.
Is this clock?
Oh, the 1-inch spacer does fit, so we're gonna try to hook the PCV valve when I get it fit right there. That's what I'm gonna aim for. So yeah, that does fit though. Should have been recording that, y'all. We ain't got enough leverage to get some. It was so hard to get that off right there. I got a trampoline stick. Put it on the back of it. I'm talking about came off easy. Alright, y'all. This is how we're gonna be looking. Change that fitting out right there. Put the 90-degree angle on there. It's clearing. Everything clearing right, and the fill line reaches. So all I need to do now is go to Tractor Supply, go get me some bolts to go down in there because the stud's not long enough, and at the parts store the studs don't even be that long, so I'm gonna just bolt it down like some people do. Just go get me some long bolts. It's the same thread. That's it. But yeah, y'all, I'll fade back with y'all when we do that, because that'll be in probably an hour or so. But y'all know it'll be on like a second for y'all. But we'll get back with y'all. 2 hours later.
Alright, faded back. Look, your kid got this thing all the way on. He all the way ready. You all the way in there with it?
Yeah. My bad, y'all. I ain't get back to filming. Get it going, you just forget about it. But
Yeah, then too, I was tied up. Had somebody come drop a grill off. But yeah, she look pretty good on there, man.
you see that with the fuel line fit perfect, and it ain't in my valve cover no more.
Yeah, let me get on that side. Let me film that side. Got my good bill sitting over there.
And this is a double pumper.
Okay, so you got 750 double pumper,
No choke.
AED. That's what you call it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still like a Holley too though, because it got a Holley main bowl.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, we ready to start now, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna check, make sure ain't nothing leaking, make sure everything look good.
I tighten out all my fuel lines and stuff.
And we're gonna fire up, y'all, and I'll fade right back. Kid did some nice little handiwork down there. I don't know if it showed y'all that. He got the spacer.
Yeah, I had to do the spacer so I could still have my PCV valve.
Mm-hmm.
So it could still, you know, be sucking and stuff. I really don't want the breather. And the breather last time it was on there, it was leaking oil out of it.
Right.
They talking about like crankcase pressure or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I changed this fitting out, put a 90-degree on there, make it go up under there.
Gotcha.
It cleared and everything, so now we're ready to crank up now.
All right. Now we'll fade back, y'all. All right, y'all. Fade it back. We had, excuse me, had one little fuel leak, got it tightened up, but I can say this bad boy is idling, I would say 100 times better than the other one did, and it's firing right back up.
And that's another thing. That carburetor wouldn't let this, seemed like it wouldn't let the car idle at 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
And then it dropped in gear and still idles at that same spot. That one, it'll drop down way too low or some stuff like that.
Yeah, but she's idling great, and like I say, he wasn't able to. We was having issues with that. Like I say, we had to pat the gas even after he done drove it. We done reached in the window and crunk it up. How many times? Couple times. Go on, hit it one time, you know, for the camera. Just showing what's going on. And she's reacting fast. We gonna take her around the block, y'all. See, we'll give her a little test drive. We'll fade back.
All right, y'all. We on the way to the park stuff because I gotta get a stud for my carburetor for my breather. Stud that was in there won't work. I ain't worried about it.
I got a little happy, man.
Yeah.
Way more drivability, y'all.
Yeah.
Way more. She doing all that pooling and coughing.
Yeah, it ain't
up on the dime.
It ain't popped once.
Ride smooth.
I'll pay it back to y'all.
Yeah. I like this carburetor.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Pay some money for that one, y'all.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to buy myself one, but I like it.
It's an AED Holly. 750 double pumper.
She real smooth though.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.
Me too. Man, Popeye line still on.
That motherfucking line still on.
They just open. Yeah, he just opened over, yeah.
In our little country town. Uh-oh.
She went off then.
Yeah.
But that was, the idle still too low.
Might be too low.
Brakes.
What, man? I got it. Still got a lot of cam going on.
Yeah, I need to return. I figured it might have been a tad too low because this car was idling at 1500, y'all.
Yeah. We'll turn up just a half turn.
Yeah. It did that when you start slowing down too, though.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we'll get back. What we about to do real quick?
Just tinker around a little bit.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot.
Y'all see she crank up right on the dot. Hey y'all, she still got that stock gear in her. Y'all see she got that limited slip that other way didn't kick in. Lit that tie up though. That limited slip it kick in sometimes it don't, y'all. I don't know. That's why I'm switching. gonna be pulling for real. That one wheel on, the other one that kick on. We getting any more, we done. I know, I wonder where the wheel lock up. I don't know how to, yeah, I got the video.
Right front, or you doing forward?
No, you in the camera.
Oh, I'm on now.
Yeah.
Well, I should have went and got Miss Lenny,
Is this
but
clocked?
hey, man, new carb on. She definitely riding.
Yeah. It's a lot smoother.
A lot better. Riding a lot smooth. I think we ain't bring it up none though.
Nah, you want to?
Bring it up a half.
Okay.
We'll do that tomorrow though.
Alright.
But yeah, man, it's the outro.
Yeah.
Still
Yeah.
little peg leg, little peg leg.
Little peg leg burnout.
Peg leg burnout, man. Real end coming soon.
But yeah, YouTube. That was it for this video, y'all. We out of here.